Fractions that have a larger number on top are called improper fractions. They're improper. They just don't look right. That big number looks like it's so big that it could just topple over. And that's what it does. It topples over and they become mixed numbers. Here's how it works. If we had 5 halves, now let's try to make sure our circles are about the same size, because remember, when we're comparing fractions, we need to be comparing equal parts. So that's about right. Five halves would look like this. The denominator is 2. That means each of these would be divided into 2 equal parts. These are halves. If I had 5 halves, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what 5 halves looks like. There's one whole fraction, or one whole circle that's completely filled in, 2 over 2, plus one whole fraction here that's completely filled in, plus there is 1 half. So together, 1 whole plus 1 whole plus 1 half is equal to 2 and 1 half. Notice the 2 is large because that's a whole number, and those are fractions. 2 out of 2 plus 2 out of 2 plus 1 out of 2. Remember, when we add fractions, 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5, and the denominator stays the same, 5 halves. Just like the 5 halves we have right here. 5 halves is the same as 2 and 1 half. And here's what it looks like as a picture. Let's try another one. Let's try, how about 9/4. This number makes it an improper fraction. It's too large, it's going to topple over. Let's see what it would look like. All right. And again, let's make sure that our circles are the same size, because when we're doing fractions, we want to make sure that we have equal parts. Okay. Now, because this denominator is a 4, we want to make sure that these circles are all divided into 4 equal parts. We might not know exactly how many we need. We can try it out though. Okay. Let's start shading in the parts. We need 9/4. So we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, 5/4, 6/4, 7/4, 8/4, 9/4. That's what 9/4 looks like. Do you think that you can write the mixed number that goes along with 9/4? Somehow I bet you can. 9/4 is equal to what mixed number? Remember, that's a whole number and a fraction. I'll give you a second to see if you can figure it out. Find a piece of scratch paper and see if you can write down the answer. I hope that you ended up with 2 and 1/4. We have 1 whole here, 1 whole here, and 1/4. 2 and 1/4. Let's practice a few more on your own. See if you know how to draw the pictures to show these improper fractions, and see if you can turn these improper fractions into mixed numbers. Let's try 7 halves, and let's try 5/3, and one more. Let's do 9/6. See if you can figure out those on your own, and then see if you can do the opposite. Can you turn this mixed number into an improper fraction? I bet that you can. Try this one too. Let's see, how about 3 and 1/4? Good luck. I'm sure that you're going to do a fantastic job.